Today, I've got maybe an hour worth of time that I can spare. I absolutely have to pick up a few items. So we're gonna go shopping and you are coming with me. Are you ready? Let's go. So let's see what we see in here. They have really affordable prices, or rather, they have prices that I like, prices that are in my budget. So let's see what they have, okay? It's a pretty big store. Hey, how are you? I'm just picking up some sneakers, taking my little bloggers with me on what sneakers I'm going to get. So I'm probably going to start out looking over there. I like bright colors.
Yes? What size?
I do. I am a size 8 in women. In boys, I'm like a 6. So yeah, it really just depends. I love sneakers. I am a sneaker H-O, okay?
Okay.
Sneaker H-O. Those are cute. We like bright colors. I like pinks. I never end up keeping it though. Oh, these are interesting. Very interesting. I don't know, because I do need some straight red kicks. Like, I've been wanting straight red for a while. These are women's sizes, correct?
Those are kids, so that would
those are kids?
6.5.
Let me see a 6.5.
I think that's the last size left.
What size is that? Oh man, of course every sneaker that I want, there's never anything. Any more red ones in the female size? These are cute. Ooh, we like these. We like these a lot. And these are boy sizes?
Those are all boy sizes.
So 6 or 6.5 in this. Let me try that. Yes, sir. And I'm pretty quick with sneakers, folks. I usually see what I want and I attack pretty quickly. These are cute. I love green too. Green used to be my favorite color, then it became blue. calling me. This color is calling me. These sneakers are dope. I love bright colors. And as soon as I start to design my own sneakers, you are going to see my true personality. Look at these sneakers. Yes, honey. Shoe heaven. Ooh. Ooh, I'm having a shoe orgasm. Shoeorgasm. We call it a shoeorgasm. I made that word up. Shoeorgasm. It's called a shoe orgasm. Shoeorgasm. Shoeorgasm. Say it with me quickly. Shoeorgasm. We are having a shoeorgasm. A shoe orgasm. And we're having them with sneakers. We're having it right now. Yes, we are. They're sold. Shall we? So now we are going into Unique, which is one of my favorite accessory stores. It's a secondhand store, but I absolutely love it. Don't judge it till you try it. It's great. You get all these little knick-knack earrings, jewelry. I love costume earrings. I love costume rings, things of that nature. I'm always traveling, and so you don't want to pull out your real diamonds. You pull out your fake diamonds, darling. So yeah, even this ring I got from there. I think I paid like $3 for it. So I'm just gonna run it in really quickly. This is my, how do I say, grab and go store. I literally will be in here for all of 5 or 10 minutes and I can pick up the accessories that I want. I'm gonna be going to 2 dinners this week and I like to have something new to showcase. We love new, girls, right? Even you men, you guys love new, right? We all love new. So stay with me, Corinne Ray, Corinne Chronicles. Thank you for subscribing and staying put. We're gonna run into this store called Unique, okay? So let's unique our behinds in there. Just gonna show you guys at the front of the store really quickly. So you see, it really is called Unique. Okay, here is Unique, so that you guys see it. And it's really like a big shopping complex that I'm in. There's about 15 stores in this complex, and we are going to hit a few of them. Grab and go, folks. Grab and go. So this is the store. And as I stated, it is a secondhand shop. I've never actually shopped for clothes in here. I can see what I see, but I never actually have time. So we are just going to check out the jewelry. Hello, how are you? I'm well. I am just going to pick. So whenever you get a moment, I'm literally just going to pick a few pieces and keep it pushing. No problem. I really like that green bracelet. It's calling my name. Hello, how are you?
Hi, how are you? You look familiar.
I do?
Yes.
You look familiar as well,
That's what I'm saying. I know this lady from somewhere.
Real estate.
What is it?
Real estate? I'm in real estate. I'm a real estate broker. But you look familiar. Did we do a transaction
Not
together?
State Farm.
No.
No. I know her from somewhere.
Weird. But that green bracelet, well, you'll think about it.
One?
And that one at the bottom, my love. The second shelf. I am. I'm a broker. I am. Yes, ma'am. So is that together? How does that go? Oh, isn't this interesting? Look, folks. I blog, so I'm just blogging. This is interesting. Yes, ma'am. I am showing them that you know what's funny? I always come in this store and pick up pieces, and like I literally will pick out earrings, rings, and bracelets, and because it's nice costume jewelry. And so I'm just showing them because everyone always asks where I get my earrings from. So I just, hey, look, they would never guess. Yeah, YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. So I'm going to lay everything that I want on the table so this way I can just show everyone everything. So if you don't mind just rolling with me, I actually see 2 or 3 other items that we're going to snatch. You know, on this bottom shelf down here, the bottom one down here, I really like just that, you see that black one with the stud? Nope, next to it. That one in the back. Nope, in the back, in the back, in the back. That one. Yep. Let's check it out. Yeah, she's pretty.
Really pretty.
Hello. Hello,
She's
sister.
ready.
Yeah, she's ready. We're gonna go around, and I saw 3 more items, and I'm gonna ask you to grab for me that I've been looking at. And I'm pretty quick with what I want. Ooh, we're gonna get those pink studs. I need studs. Ooh, do we like those and the square ones? I like
So pink?
Yep,
Oh,
and
pink
those.
studs there.
No, those. You were right. The first
Oh,
one you
this
picked
one?
up, and these, the bright pink ones. I like bright earrings. I get that from my auntie. Ooh, and
Light
the blue
pink.
ones on the second shelf.
This light pink?
No. The
other
bright.
light
Yep,
pink.
the bright
Right.
pink ones. And then on the second shelf, there's some dark blue ones down there. Those yes, you just bring them right up.
That is really pretty.
It is. You see how I just be picking out stuff? All right, let me just see. We're gonna go over now. Yes, I can just spot what I want a mile away, sis. I like those silver ones right there. They're plain silver. We're gonna roll with those in the front. They're like little teardrops. Little tear. Yep, those right there. And we're gonna leave that alone. And now we're rolling over to some rings. Look, we're on the other side. See, guys, I literally know what I want when I see it. I promise you. Up, I see what I want. Let's see what our haul is, and we're getting out of here. Thank you, Sunshine. I appreciate that. Everyone is in such a chirpy mood here. I love this store. I'm telling you. I absolutely love this store. So we are definitely getting everything. Yes, I'm going to show everybody. See, guys, I love little
funny.
earrings. No, I do. And people, but where'd you get that from? They don't even know how much you paid. $3. They're like, it looks like $100. Well, let it look like that.
Because you have good taste. Like this looks very
Yes,
pricey.
it does.
Yeah, doesn't it?
Oh,
yeah.
we're gonna get all of these.
I would say this
Ooh,
this
I
is a very
love this
expensive look.
ring.
The teardrop,
Oh,
yeah,
man.
like
And
that.
this green one I'm in love with because it looks antique. My mom would
Yeah,
love
it does.
that.
It looks very
I
vintage.
just like this because I'm just
Yeah.
gaudy. Okay, we're gonna get this stuff and we're gonna keep it pushing. What's shopping without a break, baby? So we are going to take a quick stop at one of my favorite bakeries, Bouvella's, and we're just going to pick up. Now, normally, I'm gonna behave because you guys are with me. Normally, I would get 4 huge chocolate chip cookies. Now, granted, I don't eat all those cookies in one sitting. I typically eat one every hour. But anyhow, we're not gonna do that today because I am on my best behavior because, as I stated, you guys are with me today. So I'm only gonna go in here and I'm only gonna get two cookies. Now, normally I have a cup of coffee to go with it, but since I was already sipping on a pineapple mango smoothie, no need for the coffee. We're just going to get 2 cookies, okay? By the way, did I mention that they use pure sugar cane in this? So it's natural sugar, but I am from the islands. My family is Trinidadian, and sugar cane is a natural plant that is grown in the islands. When I used to go back home and visit, we'd literally pick sugar cane and eat it raw. So I am a sugar cane girl, and I do love sugar, even though it's bad for you. It's a necessary evil. So we are just going to grab 2 cookies, and that is that.
Eagle double G. Eagle double G. Top dog, bite them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CPT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang us in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cuz homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Low lie, yo lie, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for show. Slip my girl a 44 when she crept in the back door. Chickens looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step
So, I have entered the land of no return, Walmart. But thank you, Lord, I got here at the perfect time. There is hardly anyone in here. When I say hardly, I mean less than 1,000, which is a good thing and a good day, okay? In Modell's, these same tights would be $30, I assure you. Same tights, $30. So let's see. You know, I'm a black queen. Everything I get in black, I've got to learn to diversify. But for now, black queen it out. Actually, I see some more colors here, actually. Those green ones aren't bad. Those really aren't bad. More importantly, let's see about sports bras. You know what, Sharice? We didn't come in here. You know what? Young lady, focus. You did not come in here. Uh-oh. You gotta take a little break. I happen to buy my probiotics from a company called Nature's Sunshine. I feel that that is a superior product, so I don't really mess with probiotics in Walmart. I'm gonna stick with my Nature's Sunshine. However, I do buy multivitamins from here all the time. Now, let's see if I can find a brand that I like. Sometimes I use Vitafusion, but we're not looking for prenatal. We're looking for normal. Well, I don't see the brand in which I use, so I see Vitafusion way up there, but we'll have to get that from another store then. Okay. I don't need any aluminum foil. I have enough aluminum foil to last a lifetime. But bleach, you can never go wrong with bleach, folks. Can't go wrong with this. Do you see this cart? I didn't even pick up many items, and I guarantee you, I've spent over $100, and I've barely picked up anything. Shall we see? How much do you want to bet? Let me see. I guarantee you I've spent about $120. Easy. I can't believe it, folks. We're only at $87.51. And here I was going to put this item back, but the truth is I don't like the way it fits, so we're still not going to get it. We're not going to get this. But to imagine, that whole carton, we're still under $100. You gotta love Walmart. Okay, guys. Thanks for coming with me today. I had a blast with you and taking you guys around, just here and there and every which way we can go. Until the next time, if you like what you saw today, please subscribe. Corinne Chronicles, please like the video at the bottom. Tell a friend to tell a friend. All right, guys, later.